Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. To create this part here, we use the Extrude and Fillet command. So open your Autodesk Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the right plane and create this sketch. Here will be our midpoint, okay? So the first thing that we'll make this line here, and this line, and this arc here, okay? We'll use the construction line to make this. We'll know that the angle between these two lines here is 150 degrees. The distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 80 millimeters and 50 millimeters, okay? And the diameter here is 16 millimeters, the radius, sorry. And we know that here in this point, we have a fillet here with 3 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here, make an arc here, okay. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here is 16 millimeters, the angle here 150 degrees, the distance between this point here and this point here 8 millimeters, and the distance between this point here is 50 millimeters. And we know that we have a fillet here between these two lines with 3 millimeters, okay? Okay. Now let's continue here. We have this line is parallel with this one, and we have two arcs here with 10 millimeters of radius. So select line, make a line here and make two arcs here, okay? Okay, go to sketch dimension, the radius here 10 millimeters and the radius here 10 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the parallel, select this line and this line here. And here move this point here and go to horizontal vertical, select this point and the center point here. Okay. Now the distance between the center of this arc here and this arc here is 50 millimeters, and we know that the distance of this line here or this point and the midpoint is 56 millimeters, okay? So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 50 millimeters, and the distance between this point here and this point is 56 millimeters, okay? Let me move here. I made the two lines here, sorry. Make this coincident here and tangent. Okay. We made this, okay? And we have a line here. And go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here, okay? Now we need to use the offset to make this two line here with 3.5 millimeters or 1.75 millimeters for each side, okay? So go to modify, select the offset, select this profile here. The offset, select the two sides, remove the construction line type, the distance 1.75 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now here go to constraint, horizontal vertical, select this point and this point, close here with a line, make the same here in this side. Okay. We made this. Now here we need to make this circle here. This circle has 20 millimeters of diameter and another circle here inside And the distance between these two circles here is 3.5 millimeters. So select the circle, click here in this point, 20 millimeters, and create another one. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 3.5 millimeters. And here go to trim, cut here, and cut here. We have this profile. And finish the sketch. Now go to extrude, select this profile. We needed to extrude this 15 millimeters, okay? So the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance 15 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Now we needed to make this fillet here. To make this we use full round fillet. So go to modify, select the fillet. The type here, select full round fillet. Select this face here. Add selection set. Select this face here and press OK. We made this. Now let's make this part here, okay? To make this, we have the dimensions here. The radius 5 millimeters here and 5 millimeters here. And this line tangent with this arc, but it is not coincident, okay, with this arc. And this two arc here is tangent with these lines and with this line, okay? So go to create a sketch, right plane, create project include, select this face, press OK. Select a line, make a line here, and make an arc here, and make an arc here. Go to constraints, tangent, make this tangent here, and make this line tangent here. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here 5 millimeters, and the radius here 5 millimeters, okay? And here is tangent with this arc here, this line here. We made this. Now let's make in the other side. In the other side, this arc tangent with this line, tangent with this line here, this arc. The radius 80 millimeters. And this line here is tangent with this arc here, okay? So select a line, make a line here, make an arc here, another arc here, constraints, tangent, make this tangent here, and this tangent here. Go to dimension, 8 millimeters of radius, 8 millimeters of radius here. Okay, and we have this. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this. So let's see the dimension here. We need to extrude this 2 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile. Don't forget to select this profile here. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance 2 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We made this, okay? Now let's make this sketch here, okay? The distance between this point here, that is the midpoint, and the center of this arc here is 12 millimeters. And we have a line here and here with 2 millimeters, and the radius is 4 millimeters, okay? And the offset here is 2 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, right plane, create project include project, select this face here, press OK. Now go to line, make a line here with 2 millimeters, create an arc here and another line here. Okay, go to sketch dimension, 4 millimeters of radius, the distance between this point and the midpoint here, 12 millimeters. Now go to offset, select this profile, only one direction, 2 millimeters, and the offset is to outside, okay? We have this profile. Finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this. Let me see here, 5 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction, symmetric measurement, holy length, and the distance 5 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We made this, okay? Now to finish this exercise here, we needed to make these arcs here, okay? And we have the dimension here. This arc has 2.5 millimeters of radius, and here we have a radius with 1 millimeters. And the distance between this arc, the center of this arc and the center of this is 32 millimeters. So dividing here by 1, 2, 3, 4, we have the spacing between the center of the circles is 8 millimeters, okay? 8, 16, 24, 32, okay? So go to create a sketch, select this space here. The first thing, go to project, select this face here, this face here, and this face here, and press OK. We can hide this body here. Select the circle. This circle here, 5 millimeters of diameter. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two circles here, 8 millimeters. Make the same for the other circles here, 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters here. The distance here, 32 millimeters. Okay. Now it's missing one distance. We know that this circle here, the first arc here, the center of this is in coincident with the horizontal here with this point, okay, with this line. So show this body here, go to create project, include project, select this edge here and press OK. Now go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. We made this, okay? And finish the sketch. Show this body here. Go to extrude, select all this profile here. The extrude here, the extended type, select to object and select this face. Operation join and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we need to add fillet in this edge here. The fillet is 1 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet. Select this edge here. Let me change the type here to fillet. Select this edge here in the both sides, okay? The fillet here is 1 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.